Hello everyone! Today we're going to crochet this cute mini octopus. You will need 4-ply milk cotton yarn and a 2.0 millimeter crochet hook. Start by making a magic ring. Pull up a loop and chain 1 as the starting chain. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops to make a single crochet. Make a total of 6 single crochets in the ring. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring and slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 to start the round. Each round begins with 1 chain. Round 2. Increase in every stitch, 2 single crochets in each stitch. Repeat 6 times for a total of 12 stitches. Slip stitch to the first stitch at the end. Round 3. 1 single crochet, then increase in the next stitch. Repeat 6 times for a total of 18 stitches. Slip stitch to the first stitch when finished. Rounds 4 through 7. Crochet 18 single crochets with no increases or decreases. Slip stitch to the first stitch at the end of each round. Round 8, crochet 1 single crochet first. Then make a single crochet decrease using the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Continue the pattern 1 single crochet, 1 decrease around the round. Slip stitch to the first stitch at the end of the round. Round 9, work decreases in the inner loops. Insert the hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Then insert into the next stitch and pull up another loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to make a decrease. Make 6 decreases in total. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Cut the yarn and close the opening. Tighten the yarn tail and hide it. Use the remaining loops from round 9 to crochet the tentacles. Insert the hook, pull up yarn, and chain 1. In the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then make 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, and pull through 2 loops at a time. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, then slip stitch into the same stitch. Repeat this pattern around to make 6 small tentacles. And cut the yarn. Switch to green yarn to crochet the strawberry leaves. Crochet 5 single crochets. Pull the yarn tight and slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 4, starting from the second chain, make 1 slip stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch to attach the leaf. Repeat this process 5 times to make 5 small leaves. Slip stitch to the first stitch to finish. Use hot glue to attach the leaves to the body. Finally, sew on the eyes and the mini octopus is complete.